Hey guys, here's some clips that you might enjoy watching. Woo! That is really loud. Hey guys, it's Kierstin. So I know I'm posting again this week, but I just wanted to show you some of the fireworks that I saw tonight. And the reason the videos cut out so much was because I took them off my Snapchat story because I didn't videotape them anywhere else except for there. So I had to use those, and I had a great 4th of July. I hope you guys did too. Fireworks were amazing and loud, and it looks like I'm vlogging, but I'm not. I'm just using my iPod as my camera source right now because, like I said, I take my videos off my Snapchat story. So I'm going to be editing them on my iPod and putting them up. So yeah, let's say hi to my dog. Say hi, Oliver. He was so scared when the fireworks were going off. He had his tail between his legs and everything. But yeah, so I'll see you guys next week for another Thursday video, and I hope you guys enjoyed those fireworks. So have a great Saturday. Bye. You had a long night, didn't you, Oliver? Good night.